Welcome to our energy storage battery pack production line. First, the robotic arm picks and loads the battery cells. We use 314 Ah lithium iron phosphate cells. After scanning in the working area, the cells undergo OCV screening. Any defective cells are automatically sorted into an NG collection box. Plasma laser cleaning is applied here, ensuring the surface of each cell is thoroughly cleaned. The robotic arm is now detecting the polarity direction of each cell. The machine automatically draws adhesive, applies it evenly, coats the cells, and performs visual inspection to prevent glue overflow and improve bonding strength. As we can see, the machine is attaching insulation sheets to the cells, followed by visual inspection. Laser marking is done using a system-generated QR code, allowing full traceability of each pack by customers. The glue-coated cells and end plates are automatically stacked together in an orderly manner. Compression is applied to tightly secure the cells and end plates. Simultaneously, rollers apply additional fixation to prevent loosening and friction, making subsequent assembly easier. The next step is polarity detection using a vision positioning system. It checks the terminals, measures distance, and performs laser cleaning of the terminals. The machine automatically loads/unloads the battery units and performs welding, followed by cleaning of weld seams and burrs to ensure high pack quality. Quality control personnel visually inspect the weld points and seams for issues like cold solder joints or missed welds, etc. After passing EOL end-of-line and ECIR testing, the entire module is ready for final boxing and assembly. After measurements, the machine automatically applies adhesive. Our pack products are equipped with insulation covers and fire protection systems, offering exceptional safety performance. This is the pack testing workshop, where each pack undergoes performance testing by our staff to ensure that every unit delivered to customers meets high standards of quality, safety, and reliability. Looking forward to collaborating with you.